First up this evening, a partygoer is in trouble with the law for endangering her child's life. The 4-month-old baby boy was rescued from a car that was parked along South Camp Road in Kingston, while his mother was said to be attending a popular party in the area. The incident unfolded Saturday afternoon. The rescuer said had to break one of the windows to retrieve the baby from the sweltering heat inside. The mother was located, arrested, and has been charged with child endangerment. She was subsequently offered bail, but is to face the family court on January 8. The 4-month-old is being examined at hospital. The parliamentary opposition is this evening calling on the government to place more emphasis on community policing to assist the security forces in the fight against crime. This as the debate continues over the suspension of the state of emergency next month. Opposition spokesperson on justice Donna Scott Motley argues that various anti-crime measures are available to the government apart from the states of emergency.
What you should do is emphasize community policing rather than isolating the persons there when you lock up their brothers, their spouses, their sons, and when you put them in the conditions which exist in our prisons. There's a talk that the conditions have always been bad. But when you're accustomed to having, say, 20 people in custody and you actually bring in 100 more, you can see the pressure that it would place on any institution. So the bad conditions continue to deteriorate. And I just think that it is so wrong for you to just take innocent young men playing football, leaving a football match, and just put them in custody.